Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to refer friends to SoFi and earn bonuses. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the SoFi application. Then you just need to go and log into your profile or register to SoFi if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the bottom side of the screen, as you can see, we have the Discover, we have the Watch List, the Account, Invest, we have the Orders, and in the bottom right corner, we have the Social. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and refer friends to SoFi and earn bonuses. So referring friends to SoFi and earning bonuses is quite straightforward, and you just need to go and follow these 3 steps. First, you need to generate your referral link, so log into your account, navigate to Refer a Friend section, and get your unique link. After that, send your referral link to friends and family via the social media, email, text, or any other convenient method. And the last thing is to earn bonuses. When your friends uses your link to sign up for a SoFi product, meets a specific requirements, you both earn bonuses. For example, SoFi checking and savings, you earn $100 and your friend earns 25 when they open a new account and fund it within 14 days. You have SoFi Invest, where you earn $50 and your friend earns 25 when they open a new account and fund it with at least $10. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.